Hi everyone, my name is Rhonda Robson and thank you so much for joining me today on my Fluid Art channel. Today is a Dutch pour. It is a true Dutch pour and I love it. I used two colors, Payne's Gray, and that's kind of like a dark blue, and it looks a little bluish anyway, and then white. Then I added silver and some black and some darker gray, and this was the result. I absolutely love it. Here's one of them. It's a Triptych. So here's one. And I didn't think I was gonna like the black. I really like the black in it. It adds a depth to it that it wouldn't have without it, because I did try to do one of these I didn't like, so I redid it again, and I did it without black and I didn't like it, so I really like it. So here's another one, and then here is the last one. So as you can see, they're all slightly different. I really like this one a lot. I like the simplicity of it and the beauty that the Dutch pour creates. Let's get you down on the canvas and let me show you how I did this. And these are inspired by Rinska. All right, bye for now. Bye. So we're gonna be using Payne's Gray and white. And then of course, we're gonna be using the Pearl Space Gray, the Arteza Silver, the Arteza Titanium White, and then the Master Touch Permanent Black. So I'm going to get this stuff off to the side so that I can use them for later. And then let's get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and pour on our Payne's Gray. And this Payne's Gray is a 3 parts paint to 2 parts water. Okay, let me get my sides here, my corners. You can see I got a lot of air bubbles in it, so I'll pop it with my torch here in just a moment. I'm gonna do this. And this is the Amsterdam white. I use Amsterdam as much as I can in Dutch pours because it just works so great with cells. So, oops, and you are like, hold on. I'm gonna bring you in a little closer to that. There we go, that's a little better. All right, so now let's get my sides for my white. I think I got all my corners. Just make sure here. Okay. Go ahead and torch this. Looks like I might have something right here I need to get out. Okay, let me find my tweezers here. Go. Must be a little bit of dried paint. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to get a little closer here. That'll be my flooding paint too as well. So Just checking my sides here. Oh, yep, I missed this right here. Okay. All right, are we ready? So, let's get the bubbles out of this. And then let's start with a little bit of silver. A little bit of black. A little bit of the Mars or the Pearl Space Gray. And then titanium white. And I want to come back with silver on top. Okay, now let's go ahead and put some more of the white on this side. Some more of the gray, Payne's gray on this side. And then let's flood it. Now here, you just got to be careful not to do too much, right? So it's kind of a little bit of a knack. So just be really careful. Low heat or no heat and low over. So I just want to soften a little bit of the edges here. Let's go ahead and torch. Let me turn it this way so I can blow better. There we go. Think. think I have to stop because I'm doing too much now again. So, so this is number 1. Trying to get some off the side there. Okay. All right, I think I'm done. So I will start the next one. And I'll set this one to dry. All right, bye for now.
Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching and have a great day.